The benefits of herbal teas, a comprehensive guide from All Natural Way. At All Natural Way, we delve into the world of herbal teas, each offering unique health benefits. Here's an in-depth look at some of the most popular herbal teas and how they can contribute to your wellness journey. 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, made from the dried flowers of the chamomile plant, is renowned for its calming and soothing properties. Rich in antioxidants, particularly apigenin, chamomile tea helps to relax the nervous system and reduce anxiety. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can enhance sleep quality by calming the mind and relieving insomnia. Additionally, it can ease digestive discomfort and reduce menstrual cramps. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for both adults and children. 2. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea, brewed from the leaves of the peppermint plant, is a refreshing and versatile herbal remedy. The menthol in peppermint tea has muscle relaxant properties that help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. It also has a cooling effect that can soothe headaches and migraines. Peppermint tea is a great option for those looking to refresh their breath and support overall digestive health. Its invigorating aroma and flavor make it a popular choice for daily enjoyment. 3. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is made from the root of the ginger plant and is highly valued for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, help boost the immune system and combat nausea. Ginger tea is effective in relieving symptoms of colds and flu, including sore throats and congestion. It also aids digestion by stimulating saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, which can help with motion sickness and morning sickness during pregnancy. Its spicy, warming flavor adds a comforting touch to any day. 4. Rooibos tea. Rooibos tea, originating from South Africa, is derived from the leaves of the rooibos plant. This tea is rich in antioxidants, including asparagine and notophagan, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Rooibos tea is naturally caffeine-free, making it an excellent choice for those sensitive to caffeine or looking for a relaxing evening drink. It supports heart health by helping to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Additionally, rooibos tea contains essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc, which contribute to overall health. 5. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, made from the dried calyces of the hibiscus flower, boasts a vibrant red color and tart flavor. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which strengthen the immune system and promote healthy skin. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea may help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, making it beneficial for cardiovascular health. The natural diuretic properties of hibiscus tea also support kidney function and fluid balance in the body. Its refreshing taste makes it a delightful choice for hot or iced tea. 6. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea, crafted from the leaves of the lemon balm plant, is known for its calming and mood-enhancing effects. The compounds in lemon balm, such as rosmarinic acid, have been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and stress, making it an excellent choice for relaxation. Lemon balm tea can also improve sleep quality and alleviate digestive issues like indigestion and bloating. Its lemony flavor adds a pleasant and uplifting note to your tea routine, perfect for soothing both mind and body. 7. Echinacea tea. Echinacea tea is made from the purple coneflower, known for its immune-boosting properties. Echinacea is believed to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. Drinking echinacea tea regularly may help prevent colds and shorten their duration if you do get sick. It's also thought to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, contributing to overall wellness. The slightly floral and earthy taste of echinacea tea makes it a soothing option for supporting your immune system. 8. Lavender tea. Lavender tea, made from the dried flowers of the lavender plant, is cherished for its soothing and aromatic qualities. The linalool and linylyl acetate compounds in lavender promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. Drinking lavender tea can improve sleep quality, ease symptoms of depression, and relieve headaches. Its calming fragrance helps to create a serene atmosphere, making it ideal for winding down after a stressful day. The gentle, floral flavor of lavender tea provides a comforting and peaceful experience. 9. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea, brewed from the leaves, roots, or flowers of the dandelion plant, is known for its detoxifying and diuretic effects. It supports liver health by promoting the production of bile and aiding in detoxification processes. Dandelion tea can also help with digestion and reduce symptoms of water retention by encouraging urination. Rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, C, and potassium, dandelion tea contributes to overall health and wellness. Its slightly bitter taste can be balanced with a touch of honey or lemon. 10. Nettle tea. Nettle tea, made from the leaves of the stinging nettle plant, is packed with nutrients such as iron, calcium, and magnesium. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is often used to support joint health and alleviate symptoms of arthritis. Nettle tea can also help with seasonal allergies by reducing histamine levels and soothing respiratory discomfort. The nutrient-rich profile of nettle tea makes it a valuable addition to your diet, and its earthy, herbal flavor provides a grounding and nourishing beverage option. At All Natural Way, we encourage you to explore these herbal teas and discover their unique benefits for enhancing your health and well-being. Each tea offers a natural approach to supporting your body's needs and can be a delightful addition to your daily routine. Click on the link below for more health tips. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more All Natural Way health videos.